What's good, my late nighters? I don't know what that was, but anyway, that's what I did. Hope you guys can hear me a little better. I brought out my superhero headphones tonight. Working on my getting my setup here with a new microphone. Anyway, this video is on sources to dropship. I don't know if you're drop shipping on Amazon, if you're drop shipping on eBay, but I'm going to do this little short video here tonight, give you a not a new source, but it's a source that a lot of people don't use whenever it comes to drop shipping. So it's late night. Actually, it's 1:21 in the morning a.m. Yeah, and I'm not making videos, you know, grind hard to shine hard, you know. So anyway, let's get into it really quick here. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hope you learned something from it. Take action. Okay? And right now, if you're watching this video, I need you guys to subscribe to this video, like this video. If you get value at the end, drop a comment below. Let me know what else you want to learn here. And I'm going to make a few videos on this eBay dropshipping thing, but channel's not going to be all about that. We're going to get into some new things, do some new reviews and everything else. But anyway, let's get to it. Enough rambling. Alright, so the first spot we're going to do today, we're going to use Overstock. It's not a new spot. There's plenty of videos out on this. Once again, I'm not an expert. Just know how to find little spots to drop ship. I do like drop shipping from Overstock because you can always get these O-Bucks or rewards. They always have a sale going on, and the reason why I'm making this video, see that O-Bucks, bam, O-Bucks, it's because furniture seems to be hot right now at this moment, you know. So let's get to it. Let's find some stuff. You know, I'm going to go off the cuff. No rehearsals, so remove all your distractions. Let's get to it. You know, I like kitchens. You know, I like outdoors. I don't like to deal with this stuff here. Baby stuff sells pretty good. Let's see. Let's try baby furniture. Let's try. Let's see what we have. Baby furniture. Let's see what we have. We get to that. Kids and toddler furniture. Of course, we're going to be dropping on good old eBay. Our friend. Let's see. So we're going to find about 3 items today. We'll try to do it pretty quick. Something that jumps out at me. Now, I know you guys see this here. Clearance. Clearance is good. Good thing about Overstock is they ship pretty much FedEx. A lot of their items come out like FedEx, or you know, pretty fast, pretty legit. The only thing about Overstock, and I'm not trying to scare you, is once you make an order from Overstock, you cannot cancel it. They have to, if it's already been shipped out, and I'm just letting you know, true value here. Once it's been shipped, it has to get to where it has to go and then be returned. But don't let that stop you. So I don't like to use clearance stuff too often because you never know when the price is going to change. So let's do this. Let's go with some kids nightstands. Let's just do something weird. See this at the top here, free shipping on any product over 45 bucks. 45 bucks. Now watch this. $112. You know what? I'm feeling lucky. Let's do this. You know, I like to find prices that are just one price. I like this pink. I don't know if you guys can see this here. This pink nightstand here. Let's see what it is. Let's see if this is on the first page. You know, I'm starting out quick. My ugly face over here. I'm going to bam, capture these keywords here. Let's see. Let's go to eBay, bam. Oh, we forgot. How much is this? This is 149. Okay, only 3 left. Now I wouldn't use these only because there's only 3 yet left, unless you keep an eye on it and see when it comes back in stock. Okay, so look, boom, we're gonna go to eBay, copy and paste. You know, we already taught you this, right? You know what we're looking for, right? Pink thing. I bet you it's here. Bet you it's here. Oh, maybe it's not here. What's that? What is that? What's that, guys? New listing. 149. 152. It's not what I want to see. Now, some of these products here, now, this is the thing. Some of these products, you can have the mindset of selling them. And see, Overstock is selling here too, but you can out title Overstock easily. You can outsell them on their own platform here. Alright, so this is a dud. But anyway, you can get your old bucks kicking in. You can save some money here. So we're going to back out and try something else. So we're going to do, we're going to back out and try something else. My computer's moving tremendously slow here today. Oh, I was feeling lucky, but let's try something else. Let me see. Oh, what was I saying? Oh, I forgot what I was saying. Forgot exactly what I was saying. I apologize for that. It's late. Grinding. Bam, bam. Let's see. Avenue Green, Rosalind. Oh shit. Rosalind White Nightstand. Boom. I bet you this is going to be here. 126. 126. Let's see if we can find you here. 126. I get a lot of messages. A lot of people like these videos like this, you know, where I take all of your time up to find products. But like I said, I'm just teaching you what it's going to take as you drop shipping. You have to go through some products here in order to find some products sometime. Yeah, I'm striking out here today. But this is another thing I'm going to tell you. This is another little trick I'm going to show you. Now, see this, right? What if this nightstand, right? We're talking about eBay. This nightstand is running 126, right? It's not a special one, but what if you could do this? Pay attention here. What if you could do this? Let's try this first. I don't know if we could do this. Glad it showed up like this. Now, what if you could do this? Now, what if you could just actually hit this page? See the keywords they're using here, right? 2 drawer nightstand. Let's see how many is here. 1 drawer nightstand. But what if you threw this up here? Change the pictures around a little bit, and you outranked all of these listings here. Let's do this. Look. Because I do this from time to time, and I'll outrank them just by keywords. 2,000 results. Now, if you can outrank, now look at this. I'm going to teach you something. You see this title right here? This is a horrible title. Okay. See this right here? This is a horrible title. And I'm going to teach you a little secret. The reason why I say it's horrible is because you're drop shipping by keywords. It's a few little lessons in one, and I do apologize if I ramble because I could talk about this forever. But modern espresso file cabinet. Who's looking for a modern espresso file cabinet? Keywords you would need to outrank these people here. Let me show you something here. Let's show you something. Watch this. This is Uber Suggest. I know you heard of this before. It's a free tool. Alright, so we're going to cut it from here. What if we did this? Hopefully this thing works good for me here. Let's see. Uber Suggest. This is free. I had this on my computer forever, but I think it still works pretty good. Got an error earlier when I was doing it, but I don't know why. But let's see. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we are. Let's see something. So when we scroll down, now what if we took these keywords here? And I'm going to show you something to stick out. Night table, nightstands, bedside, end table, bedroom furniture. You see where I'm going with it, right? Suppose you took some of these keywords, put them in your title, and outranked those other listings. I do this, and it actually works. And this is another form of dropship. It's just I wouldn't use cheap. I wouldn't use cheap, but in case you like these keywords, you would copy, bam, go to it. But all right, so I wasn't able to show you the way I wanted to show you, but this is another technique. Like I said, you can outrank these competitors here. Outrank these competitors here and still sales, and you have the only high-end product with a good listing on that page. I'm trying to tell you something real. That's real. It's real. I'm trying to tell you. Let me try something else. Overstock usually has some good stuff, so I'm going to go back to my favorite section, patio furniture. All right, this video is kind of long, so I'm gonna speed it up here. And then I'm gonna let you guys go. And ladies, I'm sorry, ladies too, I'm sorry. Alright, so look, this is what we're going to find. We already know some of this stuff is already going to be there. This is what I'm going to do. Remember what I always teach you. Find the items that are on the front page, and those are the ones that are hot. Alright, remember I told you that. So, of course, I don't like items. Oh, look at this. Oh, let's try. I think we already did that. Look at this thing. I don't know. Would someone pay $240 for that? I don't think so. Oh, I like this. Oh, this is high-end stuff, though. I'm trying to tell you. A lot of times, people that will spend the money on these items here, they're already in the market to buying something, especially for their furniture. Something that looks good, like this looks good. It's a bit expensive. I'm not gonna lie, even that's expensive for me. Let's see something. Like items like this, I want to keep this kind of short. So items like this. Starting at $503. You have to check the prices yourself here, but I know this video is kind of long, like I said. So I'm gonna do this, do this, do this. See what it's selling for. See what it's selling for. overstock. I mean, have you guys ever seen me strike out like this? But some nights are like this. Some nights are like this. Outdoor lounge set. Try one more. Still want to post this video. This is how it is sometimes, but this is the process. It's not necessarily the products that I'm teaching you guys. It's the process. It's the mindset and the process. So let's see. So look how many of those they sold. Look what they did though. Wicker, 3-piece wicker, chaise, lounge, chair, set, patio. Wouldn't use outdoor, patio, garden, furniture, poolside. You know, these are all keywords. This is how they're selling them like that. This is why they're making a killing. This is why they're making a killing. But I'm upset. Oh, here we are. We found our product here. Anyway, key to it is research, repetitive searching. It's a bit tedious at times, but this is what it is. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it short tonight. We're already at 16 minutes. Overstock. You can find some good products on here. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. Overstock. Get on Overstock. You look on here for some products. You can find some hot products. I guarantee you that. Alright, anyway, I'm going to cut it short here tonight. Thanks for watching. We'll be back at it again. I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Drop a like. This gave you some value. Like I said, it's all about the process. Some nights we're not going to find products, but I'm going to sit up here until I find some products. But I don't want to edit the video because I want you to know, what we have to do. This is what you got to do. Find a winning product. All right, peace out.